Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new earning platform. From this platform you can earn tokens, are also having a multiple opportunities of earning. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the project. As you can see, the project was open. The link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. Hedra to earn is the name of this project. It's a platform which gives you a multiple opportunities of earning, like that it's give you a token of HTE if you hold it or buy it, and you can get a future reward. So must participate in it, and I will tell you each and everything and the detail of this project, that how you can earn and how you can also get reward from this platform. So first of all, the link of this project was available in the description. You can simply go and join it, and then you will get each and every link. So must join it. It's give you a three core D app system, which involves Barry Fox, Marks Labs and Cashtree. So it's give you a multiple opportunities of earning and give you rewards, NFTs options, and you will get also having a multiple opportunities. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. One web3 platform in fight way to earn, powered by Hedra Hashgraph, and you can earn money from multiple methods, like turn your mission gameplays and spending into real reward with next gen infrastructure built on Hedra network. So this platform gives you a multiple opportunities. I will tell you how you can purchase HTE token. It will be coming soon. You can simply trade it on this website. So it's good for you, but now I will tell you how you can get profit from this platform. So first of all, the about section was showing on screen. As you can see, it's tell you about this project. It's a digital economy, and give you a very good opportunity of earning. Header network growing very fastly, and give you a D app option, which helps to grow you more in the platform of this project. So one platform, many ways to earn. So it's a main motive of this project, and it's a flexible, so must participate in it. Now you can see HT ecosystem project detail was available. The Hydra to earn platform with launch with 4 core D apps. As you can see, I already tell you, it's give you a sector like finance, trade, study, research, and multiple methods you can get from this platform. So first of all, you can see cash tree. So mission to earn, you can see total supply was 5 billion of CTT token. So you can see cash tree is a mission to earn platform which our 30 million users since 2015. So you can also be the member of this project. No, it will be go to web3 project, and you can get reward from this project. I will tell you how you can participate in it. Now you can see Mars Lab, MRST, and total supply of this project was showing on screen. In this platform you can simply play to earn. It's give you gameplays and multiple opportunities. You can simply create tools and make a virtual experience to earn this token and get good reward. So next you can see Berry Store shop to earn. Simply total supply was available 9.7 billion, and you can simply see the detail of this project, and you can also earn money from this Berry token. And also it's a unique platform to earn a passive income. So now you can see the detail about HTE token utility. It's a very good token for you in cryptocurrency, and give you a good reward. So must participate in it. It's a very unique earning platform. You can see unified convention token. So the detail was available, which involves D apps like CTT, MRST, and Berry, and user convert. You can see detail. So must participate in it. And cross D app uses was also available. Centralized reward distribution option was available. You can simply manage your rewards, and also improve your charity and wallet management. So it helps you more. So next you can see token swap option was available. Government and staking option, governance and staking option will be coming soon, and it's also a good opportunity for you to earn a reward. So be linked with this project to get multiple reward from right now methods, and it's also give you earn multiple opportunities, and you can also earn from it. So it's a good time for you. Now you can see the swap option of this project was available. It's a very good opportunity. Simply you can see the coin was and token was available. Connect your wallet, and then you can easily swap it to another coin if which one you want to swap. So you can see the swap option was available, and the current price of 1 CTT was available on screen. The HT network price was showing, so must participate in it. And this DApp token was swap your coins and token to HTE network. So it's a good thing, and this network gives you a multiple opportunities of earning, so must participate in it. Token core digital asset details was available, so must read it to know about how much distribution of this token was happening. You can see liquidity, burning, development, and total distribution of this project was available and showing on screen, so must read it. And then you can see team 20%, market 18%, burn 2%, liquidity 5%, and each and everything was available. So be the member of this project and must read the ecosystem of this project. You can see it's give you a blockchain, and this project give you games, NFT market. You can simply play to earn with games, and NFT marketplace, simply you can hold and buy NFTs to get more profit. And it's a web3 project, low fees transaction, fast and more secure. So these are the ecosystem of this project, so must read it to know about this project. So now it's a main and important part of this project. You will must read it to know about this project. First you can see phases of this project, how much thing was developed and how much thing you can see in future, so must read it. You can see phases was showing on screen. There was 4 phases which tell you about this project, and the future updates also available in it, so must read it. And then be the member of this project and also join the social media account to know about latest updates and news. So it's a very good thing for you. And if you have any questions, so FAQ option was also available to help to know about each and everything. So these are the main detail of this project. Hopefully you will understand the detail of this Hydra to earn. And HTE Hydra is a network which gives you a D apps and multiple opportunities of earning, and in future you will get many more opportunities, so must participate in it and be the member of this project. Now I will tell you how you can be the participate in this D app method. As you can see, so simply you can go to Play Store, you can install Cash Tree app, and you can see you can earn Hydra, see the crypto earning and earn token with this platform. As you can see, detail was showing on screen. So it's overview of this platform. You can also earn from referral rewards, and multiple opportunities of earning was also I will share with you, so must read it and then be the member of this project to get latest updates and news. So it's a very good opportunity for you. As you can see, the wallet tower review was also showing on screen. I will share with you. So it's a very good thing, and you can see mining download option was available. Simply you can go here and download these three things, three games to earn HTE. And it's a very simple and easy method. Hopefully you will understand how it's work and how you can get profit. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and be the member of this project to get more profit, and also join HTE to make more rewards. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video. Friend, I will tell you how you can participate in gaming system and earn 100 to 250 HTE randomly. So it's a very simple and easy method to be the member of this project. You, as you can see, gameplays and multiple opportunity to earn HTE was available. Simply first of all, you can see Berry Frogs game. You can simply download it. As you can see, one link available. So simply you can scan QR or get the link of this project, and simply you can download in your desktop or laptop and play this game to earn 100 to 250 HD totally free. It's a good opportunity for you, so must participate in it and play the game and earn reward. So next option was Cash Tree. I will already tell you about this. So simply you can download it and get Cash Tree. and make reward from this application. So it's another opportunity for you. And Bibble app product of Mars Lab coming to hit the be the first to earn your HTC. It's another unique method which was developed by the Metaverse project and gave you a opportunity of earning. Simply you can download this game and you can be the member of this project and simply earn 100 to 250 HTE totally free. So must download it and play the game and earn rewards. So these are the gameplay of the project. Hopefully you will understand how you can participate in it and earn 100 to 250 HTC randomly. So must join it and play games and earn reward.